Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for gingerbread cookies. So to make this, we're going to get started by mixing our dry ingredients. To my flour, I'm going in with baking soda, some cloves, salt, ginger, and cinnamon powder. You want to mix those dry ingredients together. Once properly mixed in, set this aside. Let's work on the butter mixture. So to my soft butter, I'm going in with some brown sugar and I'm going to cream this until it's very light and very fluffy. Next, I'm going to go in with 1 egg, whisk that in. Once it's properly mixed in, go in with your molasses. Now guys, the molasses that I got out here, it's not as potent as the one from Trinidad. I noticed it gives the cookies a lighter color. So if you wanted to put a drop of brown in to get a darker cookie, you can, or you can add some more molasses. Once it's mixed in, go in with half of your dry ingredients and mix that in. Now I'm going to go in with the rest of the dry ingredients and I'm going to continue to mix. Once it comes together, it's going to be a soft dough. You want to bring it into a bowl and wrap it in plastic wrap. This goes into your fridge and refrigerate for 1 hour. After it's finished refrigerating, you want to lightly dust your work surface and open out your dough. If it's breaking apart, do not worry. Take your rolling pin, roll it out, and you'll see that it will stay together. Do not worry about the edges because we'll bring that together to form another ball. Go ahead and cut your shapes out and place it onto a lined baking tray. I'm using my silicone mat here. This bakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until it has a dark brown color. After the cookies are finished, you want to place them on your cooling rack and allow them to cool down completely. Today I'm using the Betty Crocker cookie icing. Now this can frost up to 50 cookies if you're just doing designs, but if you're completely covering the cookie, it does 20. So you're going to pipe out your designs. You can be creative, you can do whatever you want with this. You can decorate these cookies however you like, and please make sure and get the kids involved because this is such a great activity to have the kids participate in. Now this cookie icing is available in a lot of colors, so you guys can play around with the colors if you like and do a festive red, white and green. So once you finish decorating the cookies, you'll need to leave them to set up. It takes about half an hour for the icing to harden. And then your cookies will be ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please make it and let me know down below. Thank you so much for all the requests you've been sending in. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy!